What'd you do, Cali? Did you turn it off? Did you turn it off? Turn it on. You turned it on. What you doing? Oh, no, no, no. Let's not go into that drawer. Good job. What you playing? Want to turn it off and on some more? On. Turn it on. That's off. Turn the other button. On. No, 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 no. Good job. Off. On. Off. On. What you doing with the balls? With the Christmas balls. Pretty. Pretty. Off. That's off. Turn it on. On. Off. Yeah. Oh, it's too cold outside. Too cold. Brr. Woo, empty. You gonna put the balls back in? Off. On. On. Look at that. What do you think? Tea? You gonna make some tea? Yeah, gotta open it. There you go. Ta-da! Ta-da! Did you say ta-da? Where's the spoons? Oh, let's put all the balls back in the bowl. Put all the balls back in the bowl. Good job. Good job. Pretty. There you go. Get them all. Get them all. Oops. There we go. There we go. Got them all? Almost. Maybe one more. Can you do it? Oh, too many. Too many. Ta-da! Look at that. One more. There's one more. Ta-da! Put it back on the table. Oh, good job, Cali. High five. High five. Off. On. Off. On.